Today we are going to delve into the topic of masculinity and its impact on relationships by interviewing queers. We'll be exploring the perspective on masculinity and how it influences their interactions and connections with others.
When I come across this question, so basically, what I think is that freedom is like really important for a relationship. Freedom as in space. So I think for us while we're growing, while we're evolving, we need our personal space and we need our freedom. You know, actually test ourselves, actually test our real emotions. एंड वो आपको फ्रीडम के साथ ही यू फाइंड देम. ठीक है, आप व्हेन यू लूज योरसेल्फ इन आपके पास ऊपर तो किसी और पार्टनर का प्रेशर नहीं है, यू हैव योर फ्रीडम, देन यू डिसाइड. तो आई फील लाइक फ्रीडम एंड स्पेस इज लाइक रियली इंपॉर्टेंट.
अच्छा, मेरे मुताबिक हर चीज़ का एक तरीके बैलेंस होना चाहिए. फ्रीडम आपको देना चाहिए लेकिन एक हद तक देना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं काफ़ी एक्टिविटीज़ करता हूँ, आई प्ले स्पोर्ट्स और मैं ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह करता हूँ, दोस्तों के साथ फिरता हूँ, तो ऑब्वियसली उसके अंदर फ्रीडम एक हद तक होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल वो क्या, ठीक है आप बेसिकली 2-3 घंटे मुझे दो और बाकी टाइम आप दोस्तों के साथ दो. तो इसी तरह उसके लिए भी है कि वो अपने घर वालों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करे और अपने दोस्तों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करे. एंड इवन इफ शी हैज़ मेड फ्रेंड्स तो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हैव फीमेल फ्रेंड्स. तो हर चीज़ में टेक बैलेंस होना चाहिए. और हाँ, इंस्टाग्राम पासवर्ड की रिस्ट्रिक्शन है.
So I've never really found it challenging to empathize with a woman in my life because I was raised by a woman who was actively present in my life, and most of the things that women go through are very real, and I do understand the struggle and the hardships behind it, and the reasons are also justified. For instance, if we were to talk about early marriages, then yes, women do not have a lot of freedom when it comes to that. Our society tells us that men can get married at an older age whenever they want to or at a younger age, but they tell the woman that when she gets to a certain age, let's say 28, 29 or 30, then she'll have trouble finding a partner. And there are other problems too, but let's not get into the details.
I'm not in a relationship, and if my sister was in one, I would have some problems, but because of the culture. But you have to deal with things with boundaries. I think boundaries are important because Islam में भी यही है कि आप you can like meet up the person before marrying someone. लेकिन obviously आप जब boundaries cross करते हैं तो I do have a problem. But मेरे ख्याल से मेरी कोई authority नहीं है किसी को रोकने की. If she has her own life तो वो कर सकती है जो उसने करना है. But obviously अगर मेरे से पूछा जाए तो I would have some like restrictions, but मैं रोक नहीं सकता, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
So I'm not in a relationship because I've never been into a relationship before, and as far as if I was to know that my sister, my younger sister was in a relationship with somebody, I would be totally fine with that, unless and until I would know that person, who is he, and I would definitely approach my sister and would ask her future plans about who she likes, and she might wants to marry her. So definitely I would totally be fine with that. I have no issues. And that's what our education teaches us, and that should how society should work in that way. So definitely I would totally be fine with that.
I hope you like our video. Like, share and subscribe.